Beautiful bathroom vanity design ideas. Go back to basics with this rustic bathroom vanity by Jennifer Taylor Studio. The rough wood, filled with natural knots and colors, recalls the naked wood beams on the ceiling and enhances the woodland-inspired decor. This weightless white modern vanity in decor by Huntley & Co. represents everything you need in modern, minimalist decor: tons of white, a floating style for minimal floor footprint, and lacquered shine for some light reflecting texture. If you have space to spare in your master bathroom, you might want to consider a setup like this one from Kate Marker Interiors. His and her sinks are separated by a dressing space, which includes an extra mirror, a slim drawer, and a tufted stool. The overall look is traditional and classic, which makes it perfect for a gender-neutral space. You don't always need lots of drawers or space to make a bathroom vanity effective. This simple shelf-side table photographed by Whitney Utesh works well enough for her small bathroom. Add a basin sink, which fits on any flat space, and a wall-mounted faucet for extra space savings. Take yourself back to the 60s with this mid-century modern design by 5. Design Build. The splashes of color on the drawers and top cabinet door reminds you of a Mondrian painting. The sleek, hardware-less build suits the shallow vessel sink and the thinly framed mirror. Have an extra nook space in your bathroom? Why not transform it with a dressing table? This built-in vanity nook by J. Glastein Architects is perfect for a large master bathroom. Bonus, you have a dedicated space for your beauty supplies, which won't clutter up the counter space around the sink. Sometimes the beauty of nature requires no refinement. This bathroom, found on DVDA, features a double-shelf rough wood counter with vessel sink and modern faucet fixtures. The balance of polished and unpolished, wood and stone, make this bathroom a striking space. There is something wonderfully indescribable about this bathroom. The spiky mirror frame, the rough, unpolished edged countertop, the rustic wood, and distressed-looking wall finish all seem rather strange on their own, but together they make for something mysteriously appealing. This southwestern powder room by Platinum Companies features a rustic vanity with a low-profile vessel sink to fulfill all your desires of a dark and stormy bathroom. The simple lines and colors of this vanity, chosen by Kelly of the Lilypad Cottage for her parents' new master bathroom, make it a great choice for people with simple tastes. Lots of storage, plenty of counter space on both sides of the sink, and those gorgeous light fixtures work together to make this space practical and beautiful. There is something surprising about this vanity, not something common to most bathrooms. The asymmetrical effect attracts the attention and opens up the room to feature the open plumbing and the weightlessness of it all. This beautiful bathroom by Haytani Design is unexpected, and that's what makes it special. You'll feel like a glamorous Hollywood star as you prepare for a night out at this gorgeous mirrored vanity table, in a design by Kimberly Selden Design Group. Notice the beautiful French-etched mirror and the chandelier-inspired light fixture, everything you need to bring out the glam girl in you. The golden brass hardware on this vanity contrasts beautifully with the dark blue paint, and the dark blue patterns on the floor tile, in this bathroom photographed by Amy Bartlam. This decor has a royal, regal feel that makes you feel like the ruler of your home, and your day. Although the tub might be the first thing you notice in this contemporary bathroom renovation by Hebert Design Build, you should pay attention to the vanity choice too. Instead of one large piece of furniture, the designer here decided to go with two smaller spaces, one for each person, so that they don't step on each other's toes in the morning. Clever. This bathroom vanity made of statuary marble, from Decor Pad, is a work of art in itself. The floating style gives it interesting weightlessness. Given the material, the minimal surroundings really bring out the quality of the stone. And a natural wood shelf right under the vanity serves to hold all you need for your morning and evening beauty routines. Whitney and Ashley from Shanty 2 Chic show you how to build your own farmhouse bathroom vanity, which has tons of style and personality. It's small but mighty, you can fit the interior with shelves and drawers. It's great for small spaces too, its minimal profile fits very well in a bathroom corner. Reuse, recycle, reclaim. This antique bureau turned vanity in a bathroom by Lucid Interior Design shows you that some things deserve a second chance. The multiple drawers provide lots of storage, and the arched front design makes for an unusual yet surprisingly handsome bathroom vanity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.